Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Dalton Harris, who lost someone very close to him. We always know how it feels when someone loses a close friend or someone very dear. So because of that, Dalton Harris said he will be taking some time off from social media for now. So Dalton, take heart, it's well. And because we love you, when you are sad, we are sad. When you mourn, we mourn. And when you are happy, we are happy. And when you are rejoicing, we rejoice with you. And my prayer is that God, in His infinite mercy, will give you the strength and the heart to bear this loss. And above all, please take care of yourself. Praying for you to have peace and strength at this time. Accept our condolences and stay strong. We love you and hope to see you soon. God bless.
You turned toward me and looked so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. This time got out. And underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, a fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild. We're running wild. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, a fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. Silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild.